Hey guys, Paul here with Spregers Mobile Detailing. Today I have a 2018 Dodge Charger, black, dirty, it's got some swirls. Gonna do a minor paint correction today with Renegade's Eliminator. It's a one-step polish. But before we do that, I'm gonna show you how to prep the car, wash it, decontaminate it, clay it before we do that. So let's get going. Okay guys, the key to any successful paint correction is the prep work. As you can tell, this car is black and it's filthy. Don't want to be polishing over dirt. So we're gonna wash it first with the Renegade Money Shot. Love this stuff. Next, the Voodoo X iron remover. It's gonna help decontaminate the paint, meaning anything that's stuck to the paint, rust particles, stuff like that. It's gonna soften it up. Then we're gonna use a clay bar to remove it. Then we will polish. Okay guys, we just brought the car inside. You saw we washed it, prepped it, clayed it, all that stuff. Now I'm going to show you, got a new pad here. I'm going to show you how to prep the pad for polishing. I use Renegade Eliminator, stuff's amazing. I've used it a lot. I love it. Smells good too. So if you see what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it in circles all the way around from the inside to the outside, like that. Then I'm going to rub it in with my fingers. You don't have to rub it in every time after you start, but this is just how you get the pad prepped for beginning to polish. And this will give you a lot less slinging when you turn on the machine. You don't want polish to sling everywhere, creating more work, more mess. So this is a real simple technique to do. And then next step, I'm going to show you actually how to polish. Now I'm going to show you how I start the polishing. Some people go bop, 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 and some people put it down on a low speed, work it in, and then turn the speed up. That's what I like to do. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to use this Renegade Eliminator All-In-One. This stuff is amazing. I love it. I use it all the time. So let's get into it. So now I'm just going to check my work. I'm going to wipe it off, see if I need to do more, see if it's good enough. That's kind of how polishing paint is. Every paint's different, every situation's different. So you just got to kind of go forward and see how it's looking. And this stuff wipes off so easy. Look at that. "20 years ago, I would have been taking 10 minutes to get that polish off. So now we're going to add a little more. Now that we got it worked into the pad, not a lot, just a little bit. And I still just work it in with my fingers, it's just a habit. Make sure you don't hit the trigger when you're doing this. Safety. Back at it. So that's super easy on a flat area. How do we get in these little channels right here? We're just going to turn the pad, I'll show you. check our work again. Looks really good, really slick. Okay guys, so we're all done polishing. Great results, super easy. I've been detailing for a long time, so if you're starting out, this would be a great process for you to learn and use because it's very simple. So great results. I'm going to take the tape off, show you this side that we polished, that side that we did not polish. All right guys, as you can see, I just took the tape off. Look at the spider webs and the fine scratches in this side. Keep in mind this is a 2018 black Dodge Charger. You can see our tape line and our Eliminator polish. It eliminated everything. Looks great. So that's it. You can follow Renegade Products on Instagram. RenegadeProductsUSA.com is our website. Renegade Products USA on Instagram, YouTube. And I'm Paul Springer, Spregers Detailing on Instagram. Thanks for watching.